The Unpacked is finally official. Samsung has dropped the teaser for its February Unpacked event. We also have some more Exynos Qualcomm drama to discuss, and plus we have a Galaxy A53 live leaks. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So guys, finally the Note and S series are combined today into one beast of a device. That's going to be the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. As Samsung said, this will be the most noteworthy S series phone ever. Samsung dropped teaser video, but they also published a brand new article on their website discussing the Unpacked 2022 event and further teasing some of the groundbreaking features of the upcoming Galaxy S series. They pretty much confirm one of the biggest important of the cameras on the Galaxy S22 series compared to the last year, which is going to be with the night mode. According to Samsung, with the next generation Galaxy smartphone, you will own the night, taking the best and the brightest photos and videos you have ever captured with the phone. Now, you may be thinking what type of night mode improvements that we are talking about. Well, it has been in the leaks that this will be done by a new redesigned AI ISP. The new ISP will allow a combination of 20 photos with one click in seconds, getting rid of all the noise, resulting in an epic night shot. I can't wait to see the actual night mode improvements when the device is going to be launching, but right now I have finger crossed we will wait to see how it's going to perform. Now, Samsung further expands on the productivity aspect along with the powerful user experience the Galaxy S22 series will bring. It will be bringing to the latest Galaxy software to the table, which is going to be the One UI 4.1 based on Android 12. So there you go. The Unpacked event is in February. It's also the official teaser confirms that the Note for the series flagship is back with a built-in S Pen stylus. And for those who cannot wait, you can actually reserve the Galaxy S22 or one of the upcoming Tab S8 series model right now as we speak and get a $50 free credit. And that's not it. Samsung also promised some crazy exclusive offer for those who pre-order the Galaxy S22 series. Also in the leaks, we have a new leak regarding the distribution of the Qualcomm Snapdragon S22 series variant around the world. This news is coming based on the firmware information, so there could still be some changes, but based on this, it seems like the Exynos model could arrive in more regions in combination to Snapdragon models. Again, this will be happening in limited quantities. Majority of the S22 series will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So guys, I'm really hoping that Samsung will have a good cooling system for both the Exynos 2200 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 because both the processor will be generating a lot of feed in order to get the best performance. So a thermal throttling improvement must be needed in the S22 series. And also in the leaks we have a back panel for the Galaxy A53, and this is going to be one of the hottest mid-range phones for Samsung in 2022. This leak confirms the quad camera positioning on the back, and with that we can have the further confirmation on the design that we already seen in largely similar to the A52. The only big difference is that there is no headphone jack, and that's all. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope Samsung will be bringing some of the best features in its upcoming noteworthy device. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe the channel. Peace.